this video, you'll learn how to create your first document binder using eRing Binder. To begin, let's start by adding some documents. You can add your documents to your binder in two ways. First, you can simply drag and drop one or more PDFs onto the eRing Binder application. This will import your documents to the end of your binder with the original file name and no special metadata. The second way you can add your documents is by switching to the Organize tab at the top of the screen and clicking on the Add Documents button. This will bring up a window where you can browse for files or again, drag and drop your PDFs into the box. You'll see a list of the documents to be added. If you wish to remove one or more of these documents before proceeding, simply click on the X next to the document you want to remove. From here, you can either add the documents as is by clicking Submit, or add some additional document details. On the Document Details page, you can update your document's name, add a nickname to your documents, categorize your documents with tags, and add a custom citation for eRing Binder's automatic citation copying. At this stage, you can add your documents to the end of your binder by pressing Submit, or you can reorder the newly added documents. Let's reorder our documents. On this page, you can drag and drop your new documents onto the current document list to set the update order of your binder. As you drag the new document, a visual indicator will show where the document will be added. If you drag your new document on top of an existing document, you'll see that the visual indicator becomes indented. This will create a nested document family that can be used to keep related documents together. Let's add our new document by pressing Submit. You'll now see the new document in the navigation list on the left side of the screen. You can navigate between your documents by double-clicking on the document, by right-clicking and selecting Go to Document, or by simply scrolling to the next document in eRing Binder's Document Viewer. Above the Document Viewer, you will see current document information, total document information, and zoom options. Now that we've added our documents, let's add labels or document numbers. To do this, click on the Label Documents button under the Organize tab. In the Label Documents window, you'll be able to select a labeling style for your documents. You can choose from numbers, letters, or Roman numerals. You'll also see an option to label document families together. Selecting this option allows you to choose a labeling style that will apply to your child documents. Lastly, eRing Binder includes the option to automatically update your document labels whenever you add, remove, or reorder your documents. Let's enable that option. Looking at our navigation list, our first document is now Document 1, and its child is Document 1.a. Let's see how to reorder our documents. To reorder your documents, click on the Reorder Documents button under the Organize tab. In the Reorder Documents window, simply drag and drop your documents to reorder them. A visual indicator will show you where your document will be placed. You can select multiple documents by holding Shift, Command, or Control when you click. Your new order will not be saved until you click Submit. Next, let's add custom cover pages to our documents. To add cover pages, click on the Show Cover Pages button under the Organize tab. A new page will be added to the front of every document. By default, the cover page will list only the document's name. If you want to change the cover page text, right-click on the cover page and select Customize Cover Page Text. Type your desired template into the text box. You can add placeholders for the document's name, label, and nickname by clicking on the corresponding button. eRing Binder will automatically insert those properties into the cover page for each of your documents. eRing Binder can automatically generate a table of contents for your binder. To show the table of contents, click on the Navigate tab at the top of your screen and then click on the Show Table of Contents button. Once enabled, you'll see a new entry for Table of Contents in the navigation list. The Table of Contents provides a hyperlink to each of your documents and will automatically reflect any changes to your documents as you add, remove, or reorder them. You can change the name of your Table of Contents by double-clicking on the Table of Contents text in the Document Viewer. To save your binder, open the Program menu by clicking on the eRing Binder logo in the top left of the screen and select Save. Choose a name for your binder and press Select. Your binder will be saved as a .erbf file, which stores all of your documents and your binder customizations. The next time you open eRing Binder, you'll see a list of recently used binders, allowing you to quickly load your recent binders.